What's up, everybody? OBS Bray here, back with another video. And today we're gonna be pimping out the Yoda. Alright, we got these wheels off a junk car with a blown motor. You see what we got on it now? These inky wheels. But we got these. These they look pretty good. What do you think about them?
18-inch.
Yeah, compared to 15s.
It's crazy what people do when they blow a motor in their car. They don't even want nothing to do with it.
They just leave everything on it.
You got some other wheels to put on there? You want to sell your wheels? Keep your wheel? I don't want nothing to do with it.
Yeah, so
shoot. Hey,
we snatched them all up.
We snatched them all. Went and found some stalkers and swapped them out.
Yep.
Yep.
Cheap wheel swap. So we're gonna test fit them, see how they fit and look. And I don't know yet if I'm gonna leave them on, put them all on right now, or if I wanna do it another time. But yeah, we finna test fit them and see how they look. So I'm probably gonna make this a series, but I'm gonna change these wheels out. I plan on getting some subs put in this car. It's already got wiring and all that. Put some subs in and get it tinted. First, we're gonna start off with doing these wheels. I think that's gonna change the look. Change the look up.
The passenger side anyway, because they forgot to rotate them when you put the.
Yeah, when we put these on. Yeah.
So we kind of got these on the same way off a junk car. And your old steel wheels, we just swapped them and swapped the tires.
Yeah.
But they were supposed to rotate them, and they didn't. So if we keep them on, fine. But if we take them off, at least we got an opportunity to swap them until you decide to run them or not. You know, whether you like them or not.
Yeah. So let's start taking this first one. Let's test fit one on first.
See, 21. I think this 13, 16 fit better. Yeah, use that one. 13, 16. You don't need that key yet. Just put that key down.
So small.
So they're more like you can take it off and throw it, boy.
Yeah.
Hey, put it beside it. Maybe you put leave that one right there. Leave that one. Leave that one. Put that one beside it, and then you can like take a screenshot or something like which one kind of. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Let's move this one out of the way. Huh? Yeah, that might be too pimp. Your pimp levels ain't ready to rock for that. Ooh wee. So you gotta use those behind you. Grab a couple. Damn, do they come through at all? Might have to use the gun to put them on. Will it fit? Will it make it? We need to make sure it's got some good threads on it. Here, use the take the socket off and do it by hand. Matter of fact, no, the key right there. Use that. Put it on it and try to get it started. Yeah, we want a bunch of thread. Yeah, that should work fine. Keep going. And the gun will knock it down hard. Put one more on, then we'll use the gun.
You want to put all of them on or just tighten these two?
Put another one on. We'll go with 3. Then we'll put the back wheel on too, so you see how you like it. We can do a time lapse on that one if you want to. Now take the gun. Hold, you gotta put the 20. You gotta put the 19 back in. Hold. You know what? It might go in that 20. What's that 21 at? Oh, that. Hold it. Oh, yeah, it goes down further. Matter of fact, where's the one? Where's the other one you had? Right here. That's even better. I'll take that off. It goes all the way down.
What do you have on?
Put it on. I like to do 2. I like to start with 2. And don't go crazy. Just give it. Yeah. Then go do the other 2. Then we'll put the other on. Then we'll tighten all of them. This might be too pimp for you, dog. This really might be too pimp.
Too pimp for me.
Too pimp, man.
You don't see what that is right there?
Man, your pimp levels is not. Man, come on. You know. This is my ingenuity right here, son. Come on now. Man, that look good. Oh, no teasers, no teasers.
All right, what we got? Look at that mud looking so far.
Let it down, boy. Ooh, wait, boy.
Look at that bad there right there. Dang. That mud look pretty good.
They do look pretty good. Damn. It does look good. The old ones look good too now, but they look good.
Yeah, this looks better. It go from grandma car to pimp car. How does it look when we push it on the back, making it lower?
Ooh.
How that look?
Damn. That looks good. The front's high though. Here, look, let me do it. You take a look.
See if it's worth lowering. Dang, that look good.
Look at the fender. Look how
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah, it's square with the fender.
Yeah, but you're gonna have to put a spacer some on the back.
Oh yeah.
But I think,
Back sticks in a little bit.
you know what? We gotta pop the thing out because the hub is bigger on these. I think, you know what? We gotta pop the center caps out of these before we do it. Because the hub centric ring,
Yeah.
they're plastic. But since we know both hubs, it's easy to find them. The problem is when you don't know one of the hub sizes.
Yeah.
We know the size of this one, we know the size of the wheels because of what they came off of. So we can find the right one and get them hub centric ring to do that so we can be safe. So
See, this is leaning to the side a little bit.
what you thinking?
I think that look good. I'm gonna put all these bad boys on.
Alright, we can do it. We can do it, might as well. Project, let's do the other side if you want to.
Yeah.
Take the jack around there and we'll take a look at them rings and see what's up. Man, I should have thought of that before we did it.
Yeah.
I mean, just going back before school ain't gonna
hurt nothing. Yeah.
This thing got a whopping 100 horsepower or something. It ain't like you can get
135 actually.
it ain't like you can turn the speed on fast. Slide the tire off. Yeah, we most definitely need some rings. Look at that. Make it sit flush. Flush it. Yeah.
I'll put the lugs on it.
Yeah. They can see it right there. See all that gap?
Yeah.
You need a ring to
Sit
go
in
around
there
it.
so your lug nuts ain't the only thing holding it on.
Yeah.
Did I ever get some for my truck? Or my
Nah,
step?
you need some for the truck too. Yeah. We'll get some. That way you ain't riding on just the lugs.
Black lugs are considerably ugly.
I don't think these other ones will fit in there though.
Yeah, I don't think they will.
And they're not long enough either.
You won't be able to see them unless you're like eye level with it.
Yeah, that's definitely. I got the model of the car that came off of, and we know the model of this one, so we should be able to find some little rings that'll fit.
All right, other side. Let's see.
Ooh,
You look good, boy.
yeah. It's like it's shit. Hey, that looks good.
Yeah, I like this.
Boy, they said they finna go to the store for a second. See if it, just listen out for any scrubbing or anything. See, see what it do. Nothing different than normal?
Yeah. Last thing we're gonna do for this segment of the video is we're gonna wash the wheels up and put some tire shine on it, and then that'll be it for this.
You going around or you gonna back up?
The clutch we get stuck on the floor mat.
You can back up a little bit. That's good.
Let's go. You done got you one.
That's pretty good.
Alright, there you go, finished product. These wheels look sick. School parking lot's in trouble tomorrow, boy. But yeah, that's the finish to the first part of pimping the Yoda. So pick the camera back up with something else interesting happens.